Your legs are betraying you. Every stair feels like a mountain. Standing from a chair takes effort you don't have. And deep down, you're terrified of falling. If you're over 60 and losing leg strength, what Japan's oldest doctor discovered will shock you. Because the answer isn't exercise, isn't medication, and it starts working in just 12 hours. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and today I'm revealing 8 foods that Japan's centenarians use to keep their legs powerful well into their 90s. These aren't exotic ingredients. They're sitting in your kitchen right now. And the first one, beetroot, can restore your walking power in as little as 2 to 3 hours. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete plan to reclaim the leg strength you thought was gone forever. But first, let me tell you about Alan. He's 72, not overweight, walks every morning. Yet he told me something that changed how I think about aging. Dr. Carter, I can't walk more than 20 minutes without my knees giving out. Stairs terrify me. I feel like I'm dragging bricks. His blood work was perfect. His heart was fine. But his legs? They were shutting down. Here's what Japan's oldest doctors understand that Western medicine ignores. In Japan, they call the legs the second heart. Why? Because weak legs don't just slow you down. They starve your brain of oxygen, cripple your metabolism, and destroy your independence. When your legs fail, everything fails. After 60, 3 silent killers attack your leg strength. First, sarcopenia, muscle loss. You can lose up to 20% of your leg muscle by age 70, even if your weight stays the same. Second, collapsed circulation. Your blood vessels stiffen, choking off oxygen to your calves and thighs. Third, electrolyte depletion. Without potassium and magnesium, your muscles can't fire properly, leading to cramps, shaking, and weakness. Most doctors will tell you to exercise more, take supplements, or just accept it as aging. But Japan's centenarians know different. They know that specific foods, eaten at specific times, can reverse this damage starting in 12 hours. And the number 1 food on this list is so powerful, it can improve your walking endurance in a single morning. Let's start with it right now. Number 1. Beetroot, the circulation restorer. This is the secret weapon. Beetroot increases nitric oxide production, a natural compound that opens your blood vessels like a floodgate and rushes oxygen-rich blood to your starving leg muscles. Research proves that drinking beetroot juice enhances walking performance and endurance in older adults within 2 to 3 hours. Not days, not weeks. Hours. I recommend beet juice to patients who say they lose power after just 10 minutes of walking. 1 small glass in the morning, and by afternoon, they're walking with strength they haven't felt in years. How to use it? Juice raw beets with lemon and a slice of ginger for extra vascular support, or boil and slice beets into your lunch salad with olive oil and arugula. For a gentler option, try roasted beet cubes as a warm side dish. Start with half a cup of juice, especially in the morning or 30 minutes before you walk. Drink it slowly. If your legs feel sluggish, cold, or heavy, beetroot is the wake-up call your circulation has been screaming for. This alone can change your day. Number 2. Greek yogurt and flax seeds, the muscle rebuilders. Greek yogurt is loaded with high-quality protein and leucine, the amino acid that literally turns on muscle growth. When you add ground flax seeds, you get omega-3s that fight inflammation in your joints and fiber that helps your gut absorb every nutrient. This combination is gold for seniors who walk daily but still feel weak. Just 1 serving after movement kickstarts muscle recovery and stops soreness. How to use? Mix 3 to 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt with 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds. Add blueberries or raspberries for antioxidants. Top with chia seeds or a drizzle of raw honey. Best time? Morning breakfast or mid-afternoon, especially within 60 minutes after walking. This is your muscle repair meal. Number 3. canned sardines, or wild salmon, the inflammation fighters. If there's one thing that destroys leg strength faster than aging, it's inflammation. These small fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that put out the fire in your joints and muscles. They also deliver vitamin D and CoQ10, both critical for energy production and preventing that dead leg feeling you get at the end of the day. Canned wild sardines are a game changer. They're cheap, they're ready to eat, and they work fast. Open a can, pair with greens or whole grain toast, and you've got a muscle repair meal in 2 minutes. How to enjoy. Toss into a lunch salad with olive oil and lemon, mash onto crackers with avocado, or eat alongside steamed vegetables. If your knees feel unstable or your legs are weak by evening, sardines are your answer. Number 4. Eggs, the strength builders. Eggs are the most complete muscle food on Earth. They contain leucine for muscle synthesis, vitamin D for bone strength, and choline for neuromuscular function, which controls balance, coordination, and how fast your legs respond when you need them. Eating 1 to 2 eggs in the morning gives your body everything it needs to build or preserve muscle all day long. This is critical for anyone losing leg power. Best ways: boiled soft or hard, pan-fried in olive oil, or served with greens or half a sweet potato. Never pair eggs with sugary toast. Pair them with vegetables. If your legs feel weaker every year, 1 egg each morning is your foundation. Number 5. Leafy greens, the nerve activators. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are loaded with magnesium, the mineral that makes your muscles contract and relax properly. Without it, your legs cramp, tremble, and lose coordination. These greens also contain vitamin K, which keeps your blood vessels flexible so oxygen flows freely to your calves and feet. I've watched patients eliminate night cramps and regain walking stability just by eating more greens. How to use: lightly steam or sauté with garlic and olive oil. Add to soup at lunch or dinner, or mix into a warm salad with lemon and seeds. Try greens twice a day, once at lunch and once at dinner. Consistency is everything. A small handful can unlock stiff, heavy legs. Number 6. Sweet potatoes, the energy sustainers. Sweet potatoes deliver clean, steady energy through complex carbs, fiber, and potassium. They prevent blood sugar crashes that make your legs feel like lead. They reduce inflammation and fuel your muscles without the spike and crash of processed foods. Drizzle them with olive oil to boost nutrient absorption, especially beta-carotene for cellular recovery. Best ways: steam or roast with skin on for maximum fiber. Add cinnamon to balance blood sugar. Serve warm at midday or early dinner. 7. Bone broth, the joint protector. Bone broth isn't soup, it's medicine. It's packed with collagen, gelatin, and glycine, the building blocks your tendons, ligaments, and joint padding desperately need as they wear down with age. Many patients feel less joint pain and more stability after just 3 days of drinking bone broth daily. It's also incredibly easy to digest, perfect for people who struggle with heavy meals but still need recovery support. Best time: late afternoon when joints swell, or before bed for overnight tissue repair. Don't gulp it like soup. Sip it slowly with intention. 1 warm bowl can become your daily ritual for mobility and comfort. Number 8. Bananas, the stabilizers. Simple but powerful. Bananas deliver potassium, the mineral that controls the electrical signals between your nerves and muscles. Without it, your legs can't contract properly. I've had patients reduce night cramps and improve coordination within 48 hours just by eating 1 banana daily. Best time: mid-morning or mid-afternoon when energy dips. How to use: eat with a few walnuts, slice into a smoothie with spinach, or mash into warm oatmeal with cinnamon. Sometimes the simplest food is exactly what your legs need to stand steady again. Now here's how to combine them for maximum power. Morning fuel: 7 to 9 a.m. Start with half a cup of beet juice, then 1 to 2 soft-boiled eggs, half a banana, or Greek yogurt with flax seeds and berries. Never eat sugary cereal or white bread. They spike your blood sugar and drain your leg endurance by midday. Midday circulation, 12 to 2 p.m. Leafy greens sautéed with garlic, grilled sardines or salmon, steamed sweet potato with olive oil. This is when your blood flow peaks. Use it to feed your legs everything they need for strength and stamina. Evening recovery, 5 to 7 p.m. Bone broth with ginger, a small beet salad, light serving of greens. Keep dinner light. Heavy meals worsen leg swelling. Warm, simple foods promote tissue repair overnight while you sleep. Here's your challenge, the 7-day leg power reset. Each day, eat at least 4 of these 8 foods. Track 3 things. Can you stand from a chair more easily? Can you climb stairs without getting winded? Do your steps feel steadier and more confident? I had a 73-year-old patient take this challenge. By day 4, less stiffness. By day 7, he walked 30 minutes without resting for the first time in years. Same man, same routine, different foods, different results. You don't need a gym, you don't need pills. But what you absolutely need after 60 is to not lose your legs. Because once leg strength goes, independence goes with it. But here's the truth most doctors won't tell you. Your body can recover far more than you think if you feed it right. Start today. Drink beet juice in the morning. Add eggs, greens, and fish throughout your day. Sip bone broth in the evening. Do this for 7 days and feel what Japan's oldest citizens have known for generations. Your legs can be strong again. If this opened your eyes, like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone whose legs aren't what they used to be. Movement is freedom. Don't wait until it's gone to fight for it back.